As the summer approaches, the hot weather, the humid air, the high levels of air pollution, and dehydration can cause people with COPD to have flare-up in their symptoms. But don't worry, with some planning, some adjustments in your routine, and some interventions, you can plan for a healthy, happy summer ahead. So here are 7 tips for you to prepare for your summer. First, stay hydrated. Hot and humid weather can make our bodies dehydrated, and that can flare up our COPD symptoms. So it's important for you to make sure you have adequate fluid intake. Use water and hydrating drinks, and try to avoid using too much caffeine and too much alcohol, because they can actually make our body dehydrated by making us pee more. So be mindful of it and keep a water bottle with you wherever you go. Second is to avoid peak heat hours. There are times of the day when the sun is beating down too hot and you don't want to go outside to do your groceries and do your other activities at that time. Spare that for early morning hours or evening hours. And if you do have to go out in heat hours, then make sure you stay in shade as much as possible, take many breaks as you can, and stay hydrated and dress well for it. Number 3, keep your home cool and comfortable, but be aware of the indoor air quality. Make sure your air conditioning systems are well maintained and your air filters are clean, so that the air pollution inside the house is not high and it does not worsen your COPD symptoms. Number 4, monitor air quality when you go outside. Hot and humid weather can increase the amount of air pollutants as well. And many times the air pollution levels are much higher in the summertime, especially in the cities. So when you're going out and planning your day, make sure you check the air quality index in your area and plan your activities accordingly. Don't spend too much time exerting outside if the air quality is not good, because those small particles can be very nasty to your lungs and can trigger a flare-up. Number 5, dress appropriately. It's summertime, so make sure you're wearing clothes that allow your body to sweat appropriately and does not get overly heated. So wear loose clothes that have breathable cloth, and also protect yourself from direct sunlight with wearing a wide-brimmed hat or using an umbrella and sunglasses. Number 6, make sure you are ready with your appropriate medication regimen and COPD action plan, so that if your symptoms are getting worse for some reason, you know exactly what to do. You have a good supply of your inhalers, so you're not missing out on your maintenance medications, and that is not a reason that your COPD acts up. So seek medical advice, talk to your physicians upfront, and if there are any challenges with having an air conditioning at home or maintaining a good environment, seek their advice and see if they can help you out in any way. And number 7, as always, I think it's very important for people with COPD to learn some breathing techniques that can give them good breath control. Because as soon as you start feeling short of breath, you need to apply these techniques to calm yourself down, to maintain good gas exchange in your lungs, and avoid the trap of too much air stacking. So learn the breathing techniques of pursed lip breathing, diaphragmatic breathing, and also try to test out our new device, PEP Buddy, to see if that can help you get better breath control, as it has helped many other people. Watch my video about breathing techniques to equip yourself with this and use it whenever you need it. And with that, I hope you can enjoy a good summer with your family and friends, and let them also know that what are your limitations and challenges during this time. Plan ahead and modify your routines so that you can have a healthy time ahead. Thank you so much for watching, and check out our other videos on PEP Buddy YouTube channel and some blogs on our website to learn more about COPD and stay well.